Welcome to Next Zen Marketing. In today's video we will talk about how long does Binance verification takes. Go through the complete video and see how to get yourself verified at Binance Exchange. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. Binance is one of the quickest developing cryptocurrency trading exchanges. It was ranked 10th among all the top volume cryptocurrency exchanges in the short period of 5 months. Binance is becoming so famous because it is accessible in several languages with a user-friendly layout, and it also allows order processing at an enormous speed. Binance is a Chinese exchange that often enables American citizens to make use of it. You need to note that Binance's verification time will vary depending on a variety of factors. Sign-up process. People first need to set up an account for using the exchange. However, there are 2 stages of verification. Level 1 is pretty straightforward and easy, and you don't need to verify the account. Yet, it has a daily withdrawal capacity of 2 BTC. If you want to redeem up to 100 BTCs each day, you have to go through the Binance identification search and submit some ID, i.e., driver's license, passport, or other photo ID, and wait until you are accepted for level 2. After your application has been approved, you will receive an email verification. You also can set up 2-factor encryption on your Binance profile by allowing higher security SMS authentication. How long does Binance verification take? Duration for verification can depend significantly on how occupied the platform support workers are, so be sure to prepare beforehand if you intend to withdraw higher volumes, and ensure that this phase is done before depositing and trading large amounts on the exchange. Account verification can take a few days, maybe a week. You can sell without validation, but you'll be restricted to 2 BTC each day. Common issues of ID verification process. If you have uploaded all the required documentation and are still waiting for verification, try to be cooperative, as Binance takes some time to review your application. First, kindly ensure that the overall ID verification phase is completed within 15 minutes, and that the browser is not refreshed at any point during the registration process. If you take more than 15 minutes, or refresh your tab, you must wait 30 minutes until you attempt again. You can try the ID verification procedure up to 3 times a day. If the application is denied 3 times a day, please do try again after 24 hours. Besides, please ensure that the documents you send comply with the following requirements. Photos have to be in PNG or JPEG.jpg. JPEG format. The images must be clear and high quality, with all the detail prominent. Images and documents must not be altered or modified. Color-only images. Documents submitted must be authentic, not copies. The ID has to be correct. For example, passports that have expired will not be accepted. Your face needs to be easily identifiable. Just 1 person in each frame. The handwritten note must show the Binance and the exact date. Binance interface and user experience. In our view, the layout is among the greatest in terms of convenience. An interface with so many advanced tools and data charts can be frustrating for users, and confusing for inexperienced. Binance focuses on the architecture of its system to be clear and straightforward. Users will buy cryptocurrency soon after signing in. This can be achieved by various methods, like bank transfer, peer-to-peer payment, credit/debit card payment, or utilizing reserves already accumulated in your Binance account. The homepage offers the latest market statistics for prominent cryptocurrencies, and all other parts of the site can be visited by using the nav bar at the top of the page. From here, users can have direct access to the trading floor, where large quantities of cryptocurrency matches are accessible, with live trading graphs and market details. Key considerations for Binance. It's essential to keep in mind some main elements if you're thinking of using Binance to carry out cryptocurrency transactions and purchasing. Here, we're going to break down some of the essential aspects of this leading site to explore why millions of people worldwide chose it. Number 1. Limitations and liquidity. Any restrictions on cryptocurrency transactions by Binance are due to the degree of authentication and the mode of payment. If you have given the maximum amount of KYC paperwork and purchased using funds already deposited on the website, these restrictions will be eliminated. Liquidity relates to the ease with which an asset can be traded for cash, without changing the value of the asset itself too much. The higher the liquidity, the more significant for users. Binance has the most increased liquidity in any cryptocurrency exchange. Number 2. Security, and privacy. Being among the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, Binance is also known to be among the most reliable. The exchange takes the safety and confidentiality of its users very carefully, and has placed a range of protective tools, policies, and procedures to ensure complete protection. Exchange provides insurance to consumers, named Secure Assets Fund for users, SAFU. The business shall allocate 10% of its trading income to the fund to compensate for any damages sustained due to unexpected situations. Thus, even when it was breached on May 7, 2019, leading to a loss of 7,000 bitcoins, the exchange could repay its users using SAFU entirely. Number 3. Binance Fees. Binance imposes no charges for deposits that offer it a competitive advantage. It also has a significant advantage of charging comparatively lower trading rates. While writing this article, the exchange provides a 50% discount on trading rates for the first year of membership if you use BNB, Binance Coin. Over 5 years, this falls by 10% annually. If you keep BNB in your account, the payments will be deducted directly from the balance. Alternatively, a fixed fee of 0.1% will be paid for each exchange. Number 4. Customer Support Services. There is a detailed help desk support page developed into the Binance system, and a comprehensive list of FAQs. If you've any unique questions or problems, it is worth testing these sources first, as many customers find the solution there. Also, there is a ticket-based process, where the customer service representative can reply to your query by email. It is incredibly efficient, and all the questions and requests that we have asked using this approach have been addressed within 2 hours of the submission. Binance Pros and Cons. Pros. Well-known cryptocurrency exchange with a strong record. Massive development over a short period. Offers a wide variety of cryptocurrency coins and tokens. Provides improved liquidity. Allow credit card deposits. Competitively low charges. Key emphasis on protection and security to protect investors. International reach. Cons. Relatively higher charges for card-based purchases. Compliance with KYC may be deemed harmful for customers who want confidentiality. No phone customer care. What makes Binance different from other exchanges? Although several trustworthy exchanges are now available online, each has its unique characteristics and capabilities that differentiate it from its competitors. While Binance is currently listed as the major trading volume exchange, it is worth considering than other meaningful businesses. We've put together some of the best companies that we highly suggest for both beginners and advanced users. Final thoughts: is Binance legit? Binance is the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, with more than 15 million members worldwide. As such, there is no doubt of its legitimacy. With some of the highest liquidity possible, institutional-grade valuation tools, and some of the industry's most favorable fees and incentives suggest a promising future for this platform's performance. Binance also emphasizes improved regulatory enforcement, which is not just beneficial for trading but also for the mass acceptance of cryptocurrencies in general. With an ever-growing catalog of crypto coins and tokens, Binance has made a considerable impact, and will keep developing in the industry for decades to come.